guys, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm gonna give you an ideas how to make a broom, a miniature broom, especially for your dolls. So let's start. So we will be needing paper, stick, glue, scissor, paintbrush, and acrylic paint. I would suggest the brown acrylic paint. So let's start. I'm gonna start by cutting the paper in the two edge. So sorry. And I'm gonna cut a little and cut again. And you're gonna cut like this, just a little bit of cut. So once you're done, you're gonna use the stick and you're gonna roll it. First, you gotta cut the paper by the height of the stick. So we're gonna cut by this line. So I'm gonna roll it carefully. Pick this up. Then carefully roll it. In each end, you're gonna glue it. When you're done rolling it, you can take off the stick carefully. Okay, so I'm gonna glue the paper into carefully roll it. Carefully not break it. Okay, to make it firmer, I'm gonna glue another strip of paper. Okay, once you're done, and then you're gonna paint it with brown acrylic paint. And voila, you're done. Okay, don't forget to give us thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course don't forget to subscribe. So we will see you next time to our next video. So see you guys, bye.